Are you tired of your old, worn-out milk frother whisks? It's time for an upgrade. Introducing the MOFOKEAY Milk Frother Replacement Whisks, designed to take your frothing game to the next level. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these whisks are built to last, ensuring durability and reliability for all your frothing needs. With a sleek silver color and compact dimensions of 1.2 inches in width and 1.3 inches in height, these replacement whisks are compatible with automatic milk steamers, providing you with a hassle-free frothing experience. Whether you're making a creamy latte or a frothy cappuccino, these whisks deliver consistently smooth and velvety foam every time. Say goodbye to clumpy and uneven froth, as these whisks are expertly designed to create perfectly aerated milk with minimal effort. Plus, with 2 replacement whisks included in each pack, you'll always have a backup on hand, ensuring uninterrupted frothing sessions whenever you need them. Upgrade your automatic milk steamer with the MOFOKEAY Milk Frother Replacement Whisks today and elevate your coffee experience to new heights. Say hello to barista quality froth right in the comfort of your own home. So why wait? Transform your morning routine with these premium replacement whisks and enjoy cafe-worthy beverages every day. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.